Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you have noticed, it's been quite a long time since I posted a YouTube video. So I've been out for quite a long time of this YouTube thing. I've really been busy. It's cool, yes. A lot of PD's homeworks, schoolworks, examinations every month. Quite tiring. I'm vlogging every day like last time. Well, I only had maybe more than 10, less than 15 vlogs, yes. And I've made also one cover. So today, yes, for sure you know what this video is all about because of the title, right? And yes, I have here the things that I'm bringing. Well, because today's Tuesday and on Thursday, yes, we are traveling to Thailand. I am about to meet my sisters once again, and we are going to Thailand. Yes, to have our vacation, December vacation, and also to celebrate my sister's wedding. She's getting married. Wow, finally! It's been a long time since she had a wow. Yes, just wow. And did you know that she had only one boyfriend, and now that boyfriend of her rather, is the guy that she's marrying. Wow, right? One boy only, and that is the man he's marrying. Amazing. Okay, so let's get back to what this video is all about. So I have here the bag that I'm bringing for our travel. And by the way, our travel is 2 weeks. So if you're asking why I only have a so small bag, well, it is because I'll be doing some washing of clothes there. We're staying at my sister's apartment, so no problem washing our clothes. So I only brought four. I don't think you can see this. Like here, I only have four underwears, and also just 4 socks. So, and let me show you how I pack all of this. Look. Yeah, 2 jackets. Yes, 2 jackets, 1 sweater and 1 hoodie, and also 2 polo shirts and 1 t-shirt for going out, and 3 t-shirts. No, they're not t-shirts actually. They're if you're in the Philippines, you call them sandals. Like this one, sleeveless shirts. Yeah, they're sleeveless, and there's 3 of them, and I'll use them when I get to sleep. And also I have here 3 shorts. Yes, that's it. That's all. Back. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, here's my bag, right? Here's my bag. So what I do with this shirt, so actually, example, it looks like this, right? So what I do is I just fold them a bit like that only, and I just start rolling them. It really saves more space though. Yes, just like that. It's just simple as that. Okay, so when you put it in your bag, legitimately like that, okay, it only takes a small space. I don't know if you see. Wait, sorry. Wait, I need the light.
A few moments later.
Just put it in there. It just takes so small. On this side, maybe it takes like this, and the space on the side is just like this. Okay, when you compare it like the normal folding, well, it takes some more space. Sometimes it gets bigger, right? And next is, yeah, we'll continue putting on this folded things. You should not well, If you're wondering, it might get crumpled, right? But still, they're traveling like 2 flights. Yeah, we're traveling from Bacolod to Manila and Manila to Bangkok. It is a long flight. There's a lot of possible things. What's that? Like that, right? Like that. Yeah, I'm quite crazy right now. So, yeah, well, you can say that you can just trample it like that. Just put it in, right? But no. If you, well, I like doing things crumpled though. I like doing things crumpled. After all, when I get to the place where we're about to go, we have the flat iron, so there will be no problem if things get crumpled. But if you want your things to get organized, my father taught me, yeah, that you go for those things. That's it. So we have here. Let me do these things first. Let me finish my packing. Then I'll show you the rest. It's inside my bag for traveling this December season. No class, just fine. Okay. And yes, the most important thing, my Holy Bible. Wait, is it here? Yes, it is here. This wonderful Holy Bible. I hope you read the Bible, guys. I'm reading in the book of Psalms. Yeah, I'm reading the book of Psalms like that. I'm gonna get the focus, please. Come on, get the focus. Oh my. Oh, it's not getting focus there. And by the way, I'm only using my phone for recording. I have no camera. And I'll be using the phone alone for the whole travel vlog. I hope you could just have a great time with it. I don't have so good cameras. I hope you can donate me some. Donate me some subscribers. If I earn some money with YouTube, I could get some camera. Look at my neck, so long. Okay, we're all done packing things on this first part. And we're not yet closing it. We're actually not over yet. Let me take it off first. We are still about to put my Andes. One. I hope it all fits. Yeah. And yes, that's it. And the most important thing that I really bring when I travel is just definitely the Holy Bible. It is the most essential thing. Not just a thing though, it's really important. Because it is my guidance, my protection, my shield, and gives me comfort when I'm in grief. And if I'm leaving, I'll be missing someone here in the Philippines for 2 weeks and not being able to see her. I'll just be praying for her and reading some Bible if I get way too sad. And on this side, well, actually, what I brought here is I bring some Escanol for a bit of skincare. And don't mind the fact that even though I'm a man, I use things like this. And also this one, it's a moisturizer. Well, it's useful though. It makes me a bit white. It has a whitening effect. And this one, this big thing, this from Pen Shop. She gave it to me just like when? Yeah, the other night. She gave it to me. We had our gala night prom, and she gave this to me as a gift. And let me show you what's inside this thing. It has here over here I guess is the shower gel, and here is the aftershave gel. Well, actually I have nothing to shave. I don't understand. There are guys over there. Come on, comment. Are there still other guys that on the age of 16? Looks like me. Like I look already like around 16, not younger than 16 I believe, and I still don't have that much. I promise you guys, I haven't shaved yet. Look at those. Told you. Well, yeah, yeah, I have nothing to shave yet, so that's not right. Like really useful right now. But this one is this too is essential, so I'm bringing it. Like perfume. It smells quite good. Like a midnight vibe. It's good, guys. Okay, so that's why I really thank you for getting this. Shout out to her. Go give her a follow. It's like kinda Montreal. Like kinda Montreal, yeah. And don't also forget to subscribe and like my subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Okay, now we're having some difficulties on how to close this phone. Okay, we're done. And by the way, I had made this vlog because literally I've been out for so long. I'm not sure if I still know how to do some edits on my video, so I need to do this. I'll be uploading this before we travel, and yep, I hope it works out in time so that I'll be able to do a bit of editing and be ready when I upload some of my travel videos. I'll be uploading all my videos and be editing them all next year when we arrive from Thailand, because I will not be bringing my laptop. I'll be just updating some things in Instagram with just my phone. Quite enough with me. Okay. We're ready. We're packed. I'm ready to go to Thailand. And oh, sorry for that thing. And okay, closing. If you're wondering what about the shoes, well, I'm wearing my shoes traveling, and I'll be using my Adidas Cloud phone. I don't know what to think. And I'll be bringing some and things that I'll be wearing on the day we're traveling. I'll be showing them to you next year. Yes, I believe next year, because I will upload all my videos next year. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy that one. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and you can go leave a comment behind if you're doing okay. Go comment. I need some comments on my videos. It makes it looks better. And what do you think of my hair? Is it fine or what? Should I get a haircut again? Oh, look at that. And some skincare ideas on how to take out my pimple. And I hope you learned something. If you find the way I pack my things great, go leave a comment. Go share it too. It will not matter with me. I will really appreciate the thing. Thank you so much once again. It's Vincent Jim. Go follow me on Instagram, VincentJim_T, and also Slay Kind of Mario. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you guys, and see you in my Instagram stories. I believe I will do some. Haha.